How to use Old Navy promo code. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can use Old Navy promo code. For this, you want to open up any web browser. Now, you want to search for Old Navy promo code. Then out of the search results, you want to click on any reliable website. I have opened coupons.com. Now we want to find the promo code that is best for you. After that, click on the See Coupons option. Now you have the code over here. Click on the copy code option. Now to redeem, you want to click on go to a store option. This will take you to the official website of Old Navy. Now here, you want to sign into your account. After you have signed in, explore the website and add all the items you want to purchase in your bag. After that, you want to click on this bag icon. Now, before you check out, you can use your promo code. For this, over here on the promo section, paste the promo code you have copied, then click on the apply option. If the code you have copied is valid, it will be successfully applied over here and the discount will also be applied. After that, you can proceed to check out, and in this way you can use the Old Navy promo code. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.